What's up? It's Flat here. So the rims finally arrived. Rota rims. Let's try it this way. Been waiting these for over a year. There was some availability problems for the 10-inch back rims, so there will be 10.5s on the back, 9.5s wide, 19-inch rims on the front. So we're gonna try them out. Not today. I'm feeling a bit fluish, but at least we're gonna do the unboxing today. Let's see what these babies look like. Okay, so this one I already had to pre-open because the parcel was actually damaged in the transportation, so I had to check that there are no bigger problems here. So let's unveil it at the same time. So just only a sneak peek has been done for the rim, so let's check how it looks like. This should be brand new, so I'm a bit surprised that there is kind of a marks here on the inter rim, so the quality is not that actually good at these. This is a bit worrying because if I see it's not that, it hasn't been handled that good. You can see the specifications over there. So these are the front rims, so the back rims should be 1 inch wider on the back. So other than that, I think it's rather good looking and feeling rim. So gotta turn it around a bit. And just like you can see here, if it's a brand new rim, there shouldn't be this sort of markings. So either they have tested it, or these have been on a rim, or there has been a rubber already on the rims, so these are not brand new, I doubt. And there's also some markings here, so these are the ones that usually start to swallow the rust because the surface of the rim is open here, so usually it goes to the metallic part then. So the Finnish roads are they are actually driving salt to the road, so that's not that long lasting. Let's check the other ones. Yeah, also here's some markings, so not looking that brand new, but looks like they actually tried these on, and these are kind of a markings from the machine, so for the tire machine. Yeah, a bit lower on quality, but these seem to be okay. These, but the real rims should be okay, rather okay. Quite the same on this one, so the outer rim is not looking brand new, even it looks like it has been used, but then the quality of the rim is just that bad, so that doesn't look like a good quality rim to me. You can clearly see that the lack is missing here, so that's where the rust starts also from this. So looks like the front rims are not that good quality, but the back rims seem to be a lot better in that sense. So there might be some balancing issues also, but those are minor ones when we put the tires in. I was expecting a bit more, but yeah, it's what we got. Oh yeah, totally forgot. We also got some packages in the delivery. That would be silica gel, black nuts, and something else. Let's see what's in. We got the brand new center hubs for the Rota Grids, so should be looking good. And there's the quality certificate. Let's see. So looking genuine at this point. So that's nice. So there's basically 4 of these, and the center hub should be for the Nissan. So gonna try these out also when we do the fitting, but they should go right there because this hole is a bit bigger than the center hub in the car, so these eliminate any frequencies so that they actually should be a tight fit. Then we have the black nuts. Let's check these out. There's really not black ones. I'm not gonna open these any further, but standard black lug nuts, so I will keep them here before I will do the fitting, so hopefully they will not. Okay, so standard lug nuts. Okay, that was it.